Hello, my name is Melissa Felipe.
And my name is Z Egloff, and we want to talk to you about our workshop, the Enneagram Experience.
If you don't already know what the Enneagram is, it is a personality system. My experience of learning about it has been that I have discovered and learned about aspects of my own personality and self that I had no idea existed. That's been very helpful.
Yeah, and in that process, it can be a way to really increase self-compassion and compassion for others.
Yes, absolutely. And it can help, as it has me anyway, in learning how to communicate with other people, other types of people.
Another thing about the Enneagram is we're often, because of those blind spots, we are doing things that are perpetuating our personality. We might be drawn to spiritual practices, for example, that are perpetuating our personality blind spots as opposed to helping liberate us from them. And so the Enneagram is a wonderful way to learn about practices that can actually help us grow.
Yes.
We've developed a unique way to teach the Enneagram, including starting with using an animal archetype.
I am a monkey.
And I'm an owl, but more on that later.
Yeah.
Whether you're brand new to the Enneagram, you know nothing about the Enneagram, that's great. Or even if you know a fair amount already, you will still get something out of this workshop. It's really fun. We're really excited. We look forward to seeing you there.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
So come and be with us. Bye.